Today, let us do with exercise 2G number 2. We have to expand this one. So we have to use the same formula, that is a minus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. But if you compare here, okay, our a is 2x, then b it is equal to 2 by x. That means wherever there is a, you have to replace with 2x. Wherever there is b, you have to replace by 2x. Where will you replace? You will have to replace in the formula. Okay. Remember, minus sign power will remain same. Only you will exchange in place of a with 2x and in place of b with 2 by x. And formula you have to remember yourself because no one is going to give you. Okay, so let's do it. They say expand. So you see, this one it is in this form. So now the answer we have to write it in this form. So it will come a cube, but our a here is 2x. From where I'll get cube? We get it from the formula here. What sign next? Minus. Then we have b. In place of b, what we have to replace? 2 by x whole to the power 3. From where I get 3? Check from the formula here. Okay. Then what sign? Minus. From formula what we have? 3. So 3 will remain. Here 3a square b. That means 3 into a square into b. What is our a here? It is 2x. From the formula we have square. So write it. And then b. b it is equal to 2 by x. What sign we have? Plus. So you write plus. Then we have 3ab square. So you write 3. From formula, what is our a? 2x. What is our b? 2 by x. But in b we have square. Okay, we have square. So now what to do? Let's remove the bracket. Remember here we have two number. So that means this 3 it stands for 2 as well as for x. Okay, so you have to multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. It will become 8. X is alphabet. Power remain same. Once you finish to multiply for number, you can remove the bracket. But alphabet, if you multiply also they remain same. So power remain. Minus. Here you have up, down. So 2 you multiply 3 times up. Write it up. X, because it is down, write it down. Here you have power 3. You put there 3. Okay. The one which is up, put up. The one which is down, put down. Then here we have this square. We need to remove. Okay. 3 into 2, 6. When you multiply, multiply only to numerator. Then here we have 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Then we also have x square. Then 1x we have down. The one which is down, write it down. The one which is up, we write up. Okay. Here you have 2 into 2, 4. X into x, x square. Then we reach to the next part. 3 into 2, 6. X. Then again here we have square. So 2 into 2, 4. Which is up, write up. X it is down, write it down. But the power is 2. So there you have to write power 2. Okay. Then now let us see. Here we cannot do anything. Write it like that only. Then here 6 into 4, 24. Here we have 2x. Here we have 1x. So 1x we can cancel. So we remain only 1. Okay. Then because power is more up, so x will remain up. Then here 6 into 4 again, 24. Then here we have 1x up or 2x down. So we can cancel 1. Okay. More power is down. So 1x will remain down. So after that they become all unlike term. We cannot plus, we cannot minus. It will remain the answer. Okay, here make mistake. 2 into 2 4. We have one more 2 here. 3 into 2 6. 2 into 2 4. 6 into 4 24. Then here also same. 3 into 2 6. 2 into 2 4.